Hey, what's up everybody? It's Henry with eXp Realty, and today I want to show you what you can buy for under $440,000 in North Las Vegas. That's right, brand new home in North Las Vegas for under $440,000 with 1,900 square feet. That's right, 1,900 square feet of living space. All right, so stick around. I'm going to show you what you can get for your money here in North Las Vegas for under $440,000, right? So stick around. All right, everybody, so you can see this is a brand new community being built. We're over here by MLK and Craig Road. All right, this is Sienna Square. And as you can see, they're working on the community. This is the house I want to show you today. Okay, this is a two-story home. Okay, you have nice pavers in your driveway, nice two-car garage. All right, so let me show you the interior. Again, this is actually $437,900 to be exact. And once again, this is 1,900 square feet. Check out the nice flooring over here. You have flooring and carpet, wood flooring, or laminate flooring, carpet. And right here, you have your half downstairs bathroom. Okay. All right. As you can see, these are about 9 feet tall ceilings. And you have this nice, the new finish, and the texture, the wall texture, the nice new finish. So let me show you the rest. Here's the living room. Very nice open space. Nice quartz tops over here. On the counters, you have quartz. Okay, you have your stainless steel package. Okay, check out this nice sink. Stainless steel appliances. All right, very nice cabinet. And this is the door to the garage right there. And then you have your pantry right over here. All right, so like I said, very nice baseboard. You have a nice little patio back here with more pavers. Okay, nice little backyard. Okay. So this is your downstairs. All right, you have a nice linen closet right there under the stairways. All right, so let's show you guys what the upstairs look like. All right, hang on. All right, so we just came upstairs. Here we go. This is the upstairs level, and that's for your washer and dryer. There'll be a gas dryer right over there. Okay, so we have carpeting on the second level. This is your primary bedroom. Okay, this is, I think, about I want to say maybe 18 by 18. Okay, here's your primary restroom, and very nice. Got the same countertop. Okay, walk-in closet. Okay, nice walk-in closet. All right. So, again, nice flooring over here. And the restroom area. Walk-in shower. Okay. Here's your little private toilet room. Linen closet. Right. And this is a 4-bedroom model. Yes. Oh, you have a thermostat right there too. So you have a thermostat downstairs and upstairs. And these are the smaller bedrooms. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. Okay. You have a nice little park back here. Nice community park. All right. and you have a tile roof on the houses. All models come with tile cement. Tile roofing. All right, this is the 4th bedroom right here. Okay, so this is bedroom number 4. Okay, the nice finish again. All right, and this is your 2nd full bathroom. See? Okay, so this is 4 bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms. All right. Okay, everybody. So you can see this is a very nice house. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,900 square feet, for $437,900, brand new home. Okay, they're having a special going on, which is you only put down $1,000 for the earnest money deposit, and if you use the preferred lender, they can get you closing cost money. That's right. So if you're looking to become a new homeowner, looking for a brand new home here in North Las Vegas, okay, this is the opportunity. This is only $437,900. All right, and you get closing cost money. The HOA fee here is only $47 a month. $47 a month. Okay, so contact me for more details. Henry Artiga, all right, with eXp Realty, license number S0173900. You can find my information on my profile page. You can DM me, IM me. You can find me on YouTube, on Google, or you can contact me directly. My cell phone number is 702-285-8168. 702-285-8168. I look forward to helping you become a brand new homeowner and start building your wealth. Okay, start paying on your own mortgage. Listen, here's something to think about. If you buy this home or a home in this community, right, this year, and the market keeps going the way it has been the past 6 years, and the next 6 years, you're gonna have over $100,000 in equity. Okay, are you listening? Do you hear me correct? Do you hear me? Because this is huge. This is what I keep telling you. Stop paying somebody else's mortgage. Invest in your future. If you buy this home, okay, in the next 5-6 years, you're gonna have over $100,000 in equity. That's your money to do whatever you want with it. All right, so reach out to me. Let me help you become a new homeowner and start building your wealth. Okay. All right, take care, everybody. Have a great weekend. Bye bye for now.